And we are live. This is Saturday, April the 20th. It's Mike and Einstein, and it's the weekend.
Hello.
And Peter just joined. Hi, Peter.
Hi. What's up?
Oh, I think it's a problem from my side because I can't hear Peter either. Let me change my headsets.
Hi, Josh.
Hi. Sorry, a little bit late. I just saw that you'd gone live. Did I miss much?
No, not really, Mike. I think having some connection issues actually.
Okay. All right, great.
So let's wait.
Hi, Pete.
Hi.
Hey, hello. Oh, I think it was a problem with my headset. So Einstein joined and we tried talking for a while and I couldn't hear him and he could hear me and he was blaming his mic and I was
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I was happy to let him blame his mic, Hi, Josh.
Hi.
Yeah, nice.
How's it going? Yeah, good to see you.
Good. Yeah, so Peter, I think it's the first time you're meeting Josh and Einstein.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's my first time meeting Einstein as well. So
yeah, me too.
Yeah, so we were with Josh last week, and we did a little bit of work on the artist page. And, yeah, he saved the world with the styling, Yeah, we had some shameful styles and just Josh saved the day.
Okay.
So yeah, so maybe I will. I was just almost telling Einstein about the Symphonies project.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's his first time here, and so Einstein, what it is like Agile Ventures does. There are those many projects, the open source projects that guys contribute to, and Symfony is one of the active projects, and it has React front end, React Redux, and then on the back end it has Elixir and Phoenix.
Okay.
And yeah, so to get started, this is the link to the front end. To get started, maybe I could share this link here. And I don't know how easy it is for you to get set up, or if you need us to help you with setting up, so we can just go through it together right now.
I think you can go straight to it right now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yes, okay, that's cool. So about the project, yeah, it's we use Elixir frontend. I'm just scrolling down so that I can see the mockups. So we have a few mockups which have been developed by part of the team. Actually, the project manager, project manager, I guess that's how they refer to him. And this is one of the mockups. So Symfony, I think it's meant to link performing artists with charities so that they can sing and they raise some money to fund some charities or something like that. And this mockup is just about the artists page, and we've been working on this a little bit. We almost have the sketch done, so like we need to do the paginations and so and get to read data from the backend, because the backend is not yet anywhere close to being ready. But yeah, this we have worked on. Then last week we started pushing on the artists page for the. So I think we did this part for the trending artists, and maybe we need to do something of these. And then we have courses. Courses, I think, are the my English is not so good, but I would think it's the motivation, the motive of the performances, like what the performances contribute to. So this is a page for causes, and yeah, we have the trending causes and all that. And I think currently these are the mockups that we have, and we've started working on the first two. I can show you a quick, I was trying to do something with the backend there, and it's not working as it should. So maybe I go there and so this is SFN client, yes. And yeah, this morning I was trying to go through installing Cypress, and I wasn't sure of myself, so I stopped. Yeah, so maybe I do unscat just to demo it to whatever we've done. How have the last 2 weeks been, Pete? Is it 2 or 3?
I think it's 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a lot of traveling, and I had some other projects. Oh,
nice. So npm that's my manager. Yeah, we really missed you, no?
It's good to hear, actually. I miss you guys too.
The other weekend I almost cried, you know. And yeah, the day, I think the day just before Josh joined, yeah, I couldn't do. I was like, Peter could have just calculated these pixels on his head. And use this guy, and yeah, so maybe I try running. Yeah, I'll start. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's my. Huh. So problem was not in. Yeah. Maybe we just proceed to sing. Maybe I'm just not patient. Yep. So so far this is what we have. So this is what we did in your absence bit. Yeah, so we added the trending artists, and now that was following this mock-up right here.
Yeah.
So they have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now after this is done, I think we needed to add this explore all artists thing, and I don't know if this is a footer or something. I don't know what's supposed to go here.
It's a banner, I think.
It's a banner, okay.
So something, yeah, to sign up, make you excited.
Yeah.
I think that's an email sign up, actually. So it's like a newsletter sign up, or maybe a registrational sign up.
Oh yeah, like the where they say like oh yeah, it's sign up now. Okay, makes sense.
Maybe it makes more sense to sign up for a newsletter than signing up as a user, I think.
Okay. And also we have this page. This was made based on the first mockup.
Yeah.
Where we have the logo for the artist, the performances. I think this for this page, I think this is all we added in your absence. Like this part here, adding the and yeah, I really liked how Josh came and added the spacing here, like they were just so close, and yeah, that was nice. And now we need to pick what we're going to do. I don't know if we want to add. I was adding Cypress. I don't know if we want to maybe get that to a state where we want, like, we can ask for a PR review, or maybe we could just go ahead and add the explore all artists component here. I don't know.
So what's happening with Cypress?
There's this. Okay, maybe I should open the waffle. The 5 days.
we need to move that fast, man.
Yeah. there's this ticket that Federico created to install Cypress, and then like we want to start connecting the front end and the back end by carving end-to-end traversal of the app. Wow, too much English. Carving an end-to-end traversal of the app, using the artists as the beachhead and a BDD outside-in approach. So yarn add Cypress dev. So this, I've run this command, but then when you go to this link, there's adding yarn add Cypress, but then you need to add Cypress to the scripts. Yes, I think this is for npm. I think it's similar for npm and yarn. So maybe I need to add this to the scripts, and then I don't know whether this same ticket will have us add Cypress to continuous integration, or maybe we will create a new ticket to add Cypress to continuous integration. Yeah, so those were I think my, because at this point they're saying please read our continuous integration docs to help installing Cypress and CI, system dependencies. If you're using Linux, you can use our Docker, and then opening Cypress. So this is just it. Just give me a minute. I'll be back.
Hey,
How's
Dan.
it going, Peter?
It's good.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I was just checking what happened during the last few weeks. Like, I have no idea what Cypress is, for instance. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of new to Cypress myself. I'm trying to take a look at it, see what's going on here. It looks interesting.
Nice. Hi, Dan.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How's Texas?
Hot.
Yeah. So, yeah. So I was just taking Josh Einstein and Pete what we've been through the past weeks, and then I started showing them this ticket that I started working on this morning, the one to add Cypress. So I created a work in progress pull request. Okay. And I had only changed these two files. Of course, this is the only one that changed. So maybe right now what I need to do is to add this to the scripts. And not complicate things further. Because I was looking at how website one front end have done it, and they have these. This is how they run. This is how they run Cypress, and there's a way they do it with Cypress local, and like this will run start server and test. So not sure where status server
Actually, I
is.
think the Cypress local will just run the Cypress open, right?
Okay, it's just okay. Yes, so let me just do that. Yeah. So scripts here. And maybe that's it. And then we'll create another ticket to add Cypress to CI. Or do we just add it here? I don't know.
What was the original ticket about, Mike? Which one? I can see. Ah, I see.
Yeah, the original ticket is just to add install Cypress. This is just it.
Maybe that's another ticket, I think. Like, if you show us again what was the website one package.json, then we can maybe see how.
The website one package.json. Okay.
Yeah, the one you just showed us, actually. Yeah.
Here. So
because in here there are some specific commands, and I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with Cypress, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be the same now as well.
Yeah.
But have you talked about this with Federico?
No, I haven't talked about it with him. I was just doing this today. Yeah, so maybe I'll do. Maybe we just do the PR and then request his review.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because so for here, I don't know what. Yeah, like this end-to-end CI probably is. That line is doing.
Yeah, so end-to-end CI, I think npm run all. I can't see run all here. And then parallel start CI, Cypress CI, so it runs ISO Cypress CI somewhere here. It does Cypress run, Cypress CI, configure the URL, equals 82. And then yeah, but these ones are for adding it to continuous integration, I think. Because we'll have to add it to continuous integration later on. So maybe for this one ticket, we just do just adding it, and then we'll do another ticket after this has been reviewed and maybe not rejected or merged. We can ask Federico to like we can create a ticket to add it to CI maybe. Yeah. So I don't know if that's it. Maybe I'll just it's status. I'll just if I'll do git add then git push original. So Einstein, you have experience setting up Cypress?
I'm sorry again. What's that?
You have experience setting up and working with Cypress?
No.
Oh, okay. Add script. Open Cypress. Yeah, I think push origin.
Seems like a complete end-to-end testing experience. That's your code. That's your code, not your patience.
Yeah.
Mike, did you run the yarn add Cypress command?
Okay. So yeah. So I should try running on Cypress open.
Did you already add it? I didn't see.
You know,
I didn't see that part. If you did, yeah, I guess so.
like I added, yeah, I already did add it. I already
Okay.
have this PR up here, and it added Cypress already, and added it to yarn.loc already.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, this command, I think it opens Cypress. But whatever it does, I don't know. I think it's trying to open a browser.
Cypress is open.
Yeah, it's opening a browser. And yeah, I set it up. Okay, got it.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
So, but maybe they need to, I need to like give it direction. Like this is to, yeah, maybe there should be some things here. If we add maybe a Cypress file. But yeah, at least it opens.
But have you seen this in action yet, Mike, anywhere, even on website one or other project?
Yes, in website one, how it happens.
Okay.
Yeah, even in this is human connection. Human connection have it as well. Yeah. So yeah. Yes, but I've not seen it being set up. I always just consume. I love being a consumer, you know.
Okay.
So I would git log.
I've seen some big forces are moved to move forward the human connection project.
Yeah, yeah, but there's this chat if like next week.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, there's this hackathon in Germany, and yeah, I think it's the hackathon that Robert was saying earlier last month. They would get some guys from the community to travel over to Berlin, but I think there was an issue with visas and all that stuff. So
yeah,
they want guys. Okay, so we were thinking if next weekend we could have a longer session with them, and maybe this regular session also be part of it. So
Sure. If it's that's like a big, but it's Vue.js, no?
yeah, it's Vue.js and
Ah.
GraphQL. And I know
the ports I
know
love.
how you feel about
The ports I
that.
love. I'm fluent in both.
Yeah, it has to be fluent. I think I should first push this. Huh? What do I need to pull?
I mean, we can always watch what those guys are doing, of course.
Yeah.
But how you plan to help them, Mike? Then actually,
I've been getting my feet wet with a little bit of what they do.
both. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so I seem to have a conflict in my package JSON. So yeah, maybe that's why I wasn't able to push. So what's going on here? So incoming.
Yeah.
Accept both changes. And I think this I should. Okay, I think I should remove this and move it to the bottom. Then get rid of these because it's here already. Then we add was that the only conflict? I think so.
I didn't know that Human Connection is in Berlin, actually. Are you here, Dan?
Yep.
Are you involved in the back end of the project of the
No,
symphony?
not yet. No, I've been meaning to get around to looking at Elixir, but I haven't had time.
Okay.
No time at all with work.
I see. But you are also helping the Human Connection, or?
No.
No. Okay.
Yeah, I just don't have time right now to. Actually, I'm applying for graduate school too. So
What's that?
I'm applying for a master's program for
Okay.
engineering. So
Nice.
yeah,
It's software engineering, or it's engineering on informatics in general, or
it's actually electrical.
yeah,
Electrical.
I see.
Yeah, that's what I got my undergraduate.
Phew. That's a lot of physics, right?
Yeah, physics and math.
Mhm.
But I mean, and a lot of programming nowadays too. It's like
Really? Oh, cool.
yeah, coding's taking over everything. So
Sure. Ah, nice. It's really good. And when does it start? In September, or
yeah,
like, like regular? And is it like?
I just applied, so I don't know.
Yeah, sure. I mean, possibly, hopefully.
Yep.
But yeah, that's cool. It's nice, man.
Yeah,
Mike is back.
I managed to push, and yeah, I think it was just one conflict that I needed to resolve. So yeah, we can pick maybe the next ticket to work on from.
I see here. So we still continue the way as backlogged first, then Icebox, then okay. Oh, sorry. Dockerization is the top priority in that sense, actually. I don't know.
Actually, there's someone else who has claimed the Dockerization tickets.
Someone is.
Yeah, so maybe we, if he's that's yeah, and then we have the Explore Artist container. You want to drive on that bit? You haven't been here.
And let's do it. I'm just warming up, so you should do one of you. Actually, I was doing everything else but React, so I was doing Shopify and stuff, but I forgot the half of my React knowledge. So the Explore all artists should be similar to the trending artists. It's just basically it's just without the details.
I think we set it up to where like this top part of the trending artists can be reused as the
cool.
Explore Artist card. So shouldn't be too much. Yeah, I can set up the container if you're so shy to start. All right.
65. You see my screen, I hope. So, and let's just create what is that? And 65. Right. Here we go. So what's the ticket says? Create the artist, explore artist container. It should go in source containers, artists, explore artists, and also should have a test. So probably if Ryder would be here, he would start with the test, as I imagine. So artist / explore artist. So here we should have a folder. Explore artist, and then the test file. Do you know if there is a shortcut in VS Code which creates the new file, a new folder? Because I only know it in Atom, and that's different.
To create a new file?
Yeah, like in Atom, it's Shift A, I think. It's the new file, and the folder is another combination. But so like you don't have to right click and create new folder or this kind of stuff.
Right. Not sure.
No. So explore artist test. So we're gonna have some boilerplate, React. Artist or artist. Hello is right. Have here contains one explore artist container. And what is it gonna be inside? Let's check the mockup. Do you remember that container, the name of the component, what you created here?
Yeah, it is artist image.
Okay, that's very helpful.
It's in, yeah.
Artist image, that line. Let's go by one at first, and then we can always increase. Ooh, I know. I realize that we have a linter now. So should I install it or not, or what's the decision? Because now for me it's auto formatting.
Ah.
And maybe that's something that.
What do you think, Mike? Did you install it already?
Myself?
No, Mike.
Oh, Mike. Mhm.
I guess he has no audio.
Hello.
Hi, Mike. So the prettier is auto formatting the code. So I was wondering if do we have a consistent, like I've seen that someone was installing a linter to use consistent style.
Yeah, there was that ticket by Aaron to add.
Yeah.
To add a linter to format the code.
Mm-hmm.
So I think I does it do it locally, or it just uses it for running tests?
That's, I don't know. It should run locally.
Yeah, because still I think you need to install standard.
But you have it installed, Mike, currently?
On
Or-
on your VS Code, I mean.
Yeah. So but do you have it installed on yours?
Yes.
So can you show me how did you install it so I can install it too?
Yeah. So in the packages down there.
Mm-hmm. This one, yes.
Yeah, I think it's JS standard, Java standard JS. I think standard JS.
This one.
Yeah, the one with many downloads. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and just install.
Okay. And now?
Now I think you should set format on save. Like in the settings down there on the bottom left.
This one. Oops. This one. Or
On the bottom left of the.
yeah, settings.
I think you can search for standard. JavaScript standard, yes, there it is. On the under extensions, you have JavaScript standard.
I see. Yep.
Yes, and there's a checkbox to enable format on save.
Oh. It looks like there's. I went back to the PR and it looks like there's a script, yarn lint fix that you can run.
Okay. Oh, it's here. Standard auto fix on save.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
All right, let's have a look. Okay, did nothing yet.
Yeah, I think it does it for newly created code.
Oh.
I don't think it fixes the because yeah.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, what was it then?
Yarn lint :fix.
Oh, but it didn't. Okay, it ran, but it didn't change anything. I think. Oh, that's nice. So you can run it and then it makes changes automatically. It seems. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Or not automatically, like without asking. So if I run the test now, it should fail. And it does because we don't have explore artist here. So we're gonna have what was it? Artist image. All right. Artist image from have a look where it placed. Artist image.
It's in components / artists.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah.
But it's where is it?
Artists. Plural. Yeah.
Artists. Oh. All right. So
Yeah, they're all confusing. Artists. Like, why can't we just use one?
so we are here. I need to go up twice, probably. And then components. And then artists. And then artist image. Is real? We'll see. Artist distance comport and trending artists here. Maybe I should. Oh shit. Yeah, this could have been better to just copy actually. Because then we can do the similar check as we did, as you guys did with the trending artists. Actually. For maybe it's just artists. Or artist.
So, okay. So standard data formats for you?
It seems like
Uh-huh.
on save. So gonna copy your nice work from before. Explore artists. Can I extend? Yeah. Explore artists and it's gonna be artists. Oof, okay. We're gonna have artist image here. I'm not sure if this is the right formatting, so I'm not sure if it's formatting. Seems like not. Oh man. I think it's the same problem as before. Yeah. So we have artist images here. Trending artist title, it's gonna change Explorer. Artist title, and I need to add probably Explorer artists with the CSS here as well. I see you have created here. You can add a similarity just for saying. Okay. Let's see if the test now passing. Ooh.
These are linting errors.
Mm-hmm. Strings marks use.
Yeah, maybe we can just fix them the same way.
It's a good one, Mike, actually. I wanted to go through them. But still have it. Explore artist wrapper is not defined. What? The error is on the test, of course, but what's the problem? It's here. It's wrapper, explore artists. Wrapper. Oh, of course it's a typo. Enter. Cannot find the module. I guess this is not enough. So
Let's see.
we go one level.
Artist image, / artist image.
Sorry?
You need another / artist image at the end, I think.
Artist image. Oh yeah.
Artist image folder and then artist image.
Sorry. No.
And
I think because it's so deeply nested compared to here. Okay, so start 1, 2,
3.
3, maybe. Okay. So now we have it. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right.
Nice.
Tests are passing. Let's have a look how this looks in real life, right? So it's always good to run the test and stuff, but you know, this is something the user will never see. So let's have a look. especially because this is just a container. So now we have trending artists here, and we should put artists underneath, right?
Yep. Explore.
Mm-hmm. So, but this is part of the ticket or not? That's the question. Because, oops.
I think that we, like when we did trending artists, we counted that as part of the ticket, right,
Mhm.
Mike? And I mean, that's
Yeah, I think so.
since
I love
it
this.
type of behavior, like they have that screenshot with it added.
I see. I love this comment. It's something like throw recognition combo. Yeah, probably that's not smart
Yeah,
idea.
they spent a lot of time doing that.
Okay, so what do? We go back to, so this, is there a container that holds the whole page? The artist's container, right?
Yeah.
So this one. Yes. I get a bit confused after we refactored all this stuff actually. Where is what? Or and do fragment actually. Yeah. Okay.
What's this fragment thing? It's like a
Fragment is
container.
yes, but it replaces the old style of doing divs when it's not necessary. Like you remember how we used to do it, right? With divs all the time, because the return has to render one high level component.
Mm-hmm.
And basically fragment oh Jesus.
So that's standard messing you up.
Yeah, messing it up. Maybe I should remove it, honestly.
I
Yeah,
think
maybe they're fighting with another. Maybe you have something else and
the linter that they added was ESLint, wasn't it?
okay. But I think they use standard specifications.
Wow.
Oh yeah. I hope I see the same error again here. Yes. So what is this? Check the random method of artists.
Did you save?
Yeah, what
I
is
think
this?
it's okay.
So artists. One thing I know I have an issue now is in Let's have a look. Explore artists. Should be fine. That's a mystery, kind of. We can search for good old Google. Maybe this causing the confusion. Oops. Shouldn't.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Now trending artists have changed. Because I added that div. What? Why is this messing up? Oh. Now it's here. Looks nice. not really. But why? Yeah, we need a lot of stuff to check on the CSS, honestly. Trending artists. All right. And now the artist image behavior. I have no idea why that's not applying to this. So guys, when you did this, the artist image was just the artist image, and that's also the title. So this is not one component, the image and the name of the artist.
Yeah, I guess not.
Yeah. You need to add the name of the artist with. Yeah.
I think the original idea was to get the image and the name of the
Yeah,
artist.
I think
on it.
Josh refactored that
Mhm.
so that the image component could be reused elsewhere without
Yeah.
tying it to the name of the artist or something. So we could have another component that holds
This whole thing actually,
yeah,
or smaller parts, or so this one as a whole is not a component.
it should be a component. Josh, the whole
It's trending artist, but trending
yes.
artist.
So the trending artist component, I think it has the image plus a little bit of text below.
Got an artist image component.
Yeah, so there was an existing component, image component. So I figured, well, there must be.
Oh, so we actually we actually need the trending artist and not the artist image.
Yeah, but we don't want the detail part.
But this. I see.
So if we have an artist image, then we probably need to take this.
Yeah.
We could factor out this artist image and in the top paragraph into another component.
Sorry, Josh, we interrupted you though.
Oh, no. I just, since there was this existing artist image component, I figured, well, there must have been a reason for that. And, I would just leave that, but I took the artist name out of it because I thought that would make the artist image component more usable somewhere else. I mean, I didn't totally know the reason for the artist image component. I thought maybe there was some, other sorts of features that were wanted, to create an actual image component rather than just putting the image straight into this. Because there's things you can do with like loading. I mean, little features you can do with a component. So I didn't want to change things too much, so I just went with that. But I don't know if that's really the best.
Design. No, it makes sense. It makes complete sense. I'm just absolutely. I was wondering like how we can make this maybe more dynamic. So maybe not every detail about the artist is necessary. So because this component as a trending artist, it has full details like the image, everything. So how we can make this maybe because I don't want to create now an explore artist component if not necessary, right?
Yeah. So maybe that you could take out some of the features of that trending artist component, put them in another component so you can reuse a comment, and then make it a common component.
I'm just watching time-wise. What would be smart?
Maybe put the artist image and the first detail, like the name of the artist and the awesome artist A, into one component, since those two are reusable in artist and explore artist.
Yeah, that's what Josh said. to just pull out some of them. Yeah.
We could actually just call it I don't know. I was thinking, since that's basically the entirety of the Explore Artist component, we could just make an Explore Artist component with both the name and the image, and then put
that's
that
right.
into the Trending Artist component as well.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be it. So then, new folder, Explore Artist.
But I think there's
No.
issue with, I don't know, because
Yeah, but the naming also.
the naming, Explore Artist would I don't know, imply that it's just for that Explore Artist component, but also there's there's a difference. If you look at the mock-up, there's like a link element in the it looks like there's a link in the Explore Artist part, and it's just the name and the Trending Artist, which I don't know if that's the way it just looks, or if it's supposed to be.
Oh, I see now. So let's because this was about the container. So now I will open the PR for the container, and then we need an extra ticket to refactor these two together. How we can reuse parts of this for this one.
Okay.
Because,
I'm looking at this again, and I realize that change I made taking the artist name out of the artist image component maybe wasn't really right, because maybe the naming of artist image isn't quite right for that. Because if you had that, if you look at Explore All Artists, that each card could be a component that is actually used in the Trending Artist component. So I don't know what, still getting a little confused, but what I might propose is going back to how that artist image component was, but renaming it, because artist image is not really right, because it's both an image and a name. So I don't know what that should be called, but and then the Trending Artist component can just contain that.
Yeah. We need to look this separately. How is the best use of the small molecules inside, right? So like, okay, we have an image, or we have an artist title, we have this detailed section, then we have a button, and maybe all these 3-4 elements together should form a component, and then it should be it should be a preference to use any of those. So if you don't need an image, you don't have to have an image. If you don't want the title, you don't. This kind of like conditional rendering. But we can decide. Actually, this is something we can almost decide later, because when we have the data coming in, we will know how the data flows around. Anyways, now I will just one thing from the artist. I will only have one artist image. I will leave it there just for reference. What?
There's a space.
The stupid linter. Yeah. Oh, that's actually doing the space. Oh, no. Oh no, that's the. Thanks, Mike. And then we have the other issue. Okay, so now it's passing. So now we have just this obviously here just a reference that we need to do something with these two guys together. I also mentioned it in the comment. All right. Thank you guys for the help. Tell it, Mike.
Yeah. Yeah. So fun. You just created the PR with that small. So you are saying we should create a ticket to record?
Yes. Yeah.
Doctor it later.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. Yeah.
So I think it goes. I remember last time we were to add. Those issues and then add issues template. Let's see. So on GitHub now, get made project settings, and then just section settings. Yeah, I still can't see the. Federico said that he gave us the rights to add. Yeah, because I didn't want to. I wanted to solve the problem of us having to go copy the test section and the issues. Let's set up templates. So collaborators and teams. That's not it. Yeah, it's still not there. There's no feature section.
Hmm.
Yeah. Or maybe here there's something like features. Not that I can see. Yeah, so maybe I'll just go and copy our thing.
The template.
Yes. Dummy issue template.
I remember that Ryder had some issues with this.
Oh, Reda had some issues with this.
Yeah, like why do we have this form of temp? I don't know. Anyways, if you check with him later.
Okay. Issue. So we are refactoring artists.
Not artists. The trending artist component, basically. Oh, Dan, you are creating a template.
Maybe.
Are you able to? Ah, nice. Please do.
There we go. There's the custom issue template. Oh, preview and edit. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so you can put our stuff in it, in the template content.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe I just proceed with creating this one since done.
Mm-hmm.
So this we are refactoring the trending artists component to to get the name and the image in one component.
Yeah. So something. We need something that is reusable, like an artist card or something, where you can define which parts you want to use. You know, so not all of them is always default. Yeah, later probably it will be easy to control by props or something. So we can have like a card which receives props, and if the props is not present, then we render it or not rendering that part. So I think there could be a component that has the minimal, like the minimal is the image and the artist name, and the rest of it is just conditionally rendered when the component receives the right props. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't render. But again, we don't know how the data will come.
Was there an issue for creating this template? Or like, no? Alright.
Yes, there is. It's 122.
120. Okay.
Sorry, excuse me. I actually have to head out, but anyway, I'll just continue working on this. I'm working on now the responsive navbar for this site. So yeah, I'll keep at it, and maybe I'll catch you guys another time.
Sure.
All right.
Take
Continue.
care. See
Keep
you.
going.
See you.
Yeah. Yeah, I added the issue. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yeah, it's like the props is just a suggestion. So like currently we can have it's you can leave it like that. I'm really curious what would Federico say, but without because these two are technically really similar, so you can use the same component, but just use conditional rendering which part you want to use or which part you don't want to use, and the props could be a good like tool for that.
And will that not have issues with the styling?
Like, what do you mean?
Maybe like for example, we have we have like 4 of these. Oh yeah, and there are 4. Okay. I was thinking there are more of these here. So I was asking myself, if we reuse that component, is the styling going to be the same for this part and this part?
Mm-hmm.
Because we normally have a .scss file for specific components.
Yeah, but so that's what I'm saying, that let's have one like card component which holds all of this. And inside of this card, let's make elements inside of the card is conditional to have or not to have, you know?
Yes.
So you decide as someone to create the page, like this page to, okay, I want a card, but from the card, I don't need just the image, I just need the artist title. Like I don't need the supported causes performances part, even the money, and I don't want the button either. And then it renders only that part, you know? If you have this other like details of supported causes, performances, and even the money, okay, that renders the full card. But the whole thing is one single piece of component, the card component, and the card can, whenever you use the card, basically with the usage, you decide which type of card you want to render.
Yeah, I think it all makes sense now. Yeah. So
they technically will look the same. It's just the amount of details inside of them is not the same.
Yeah. So what do we move to next? Or are we?
There is one ticket we can maybe, or we can quickly pick up, maybe the install Redux Thunk, Redux React Redux.
Where?
The 164. The last one. Yes.
Okay. You want to take a lead on this, Dan?
Let's see. What is this we're getting into? Install Redux Thunk, React Redux, and Redux. Ooh. Is this going to be a big thing, or?
No, it's adding libraries to the package.json.
Let's see.
Einstein, are you?
Oh, it's oh wait. So Federico wants to set up as well.
Federico wants to set up?
No, he mentions also the.
Just a ticket.
Maybe it's a bigger ticket than actually.
We just need store.js and src/reducer/root reducer.js for now.
Root reducer is what Steven Grender called combined reducer.
Yes. Yes. The god Steven Grider.
Yeah.
So all we do is install that, and then create those two files, right?
Let's hope for it.
Let's look at this. The score.js.
Of course, it's not like
Just
that.
import. Yeah, you just copy and paste, man. Easy. Everything will be easy. Everything will take a couple minutes. Why are you laughing?
Let's see, man.
Are you scared of the laugh? Does the laugh make you not?
It's making me wary about.
The laugh makes you not want to copy paste.
It's just one file there, one other directory, and then just this is how it starts.
Easy.
Hey guys, I gotta go now, but thank you for the time. Yeah,
Nice.
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, we'll be on tomorrow as well. So
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm not sure if I will be able.
no problem. Yeah, well, we're usually every weekend. So please join again whenever you have a chance.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Dan?
No. All right.
Are you ready to break the whole architecture we made for weeks
Mhm.
with some simple installation?
Ready for
All right. Oh yeah. Well, actually, I remember, Mike, you were asking Federico if he can add more Redux stuff.
Yeah.
So this is the first step.
Hopefully.
No,
Yeah.
it's fine. Then we'll make it look easy.
Huh?
He will make it look easy. No worries.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Redux has this stretch on me that I never get to understand it, you know.
Actually, I have it on the wall, like the cycle of React Redux. And I think as soon as you start doing multiple times, like then it just sticks of what is after what, and then I don't know. I think this is how it sticks. That you know that so I created then I create this, then so this kind of vicious cycle. But
I started looking at it in the form of the digestive system, you know. How you have
yeah, I have it in the yeah.
You have food that you have to eat, and when it's in the mouth, you dispatch it to the stomach, and the stomach stores it. And and now you have when the stomach stores it, and you have a state of now you're not hungry, now you're full. I'm just trying to play with words to get it right.
Yeah, I think the Stevens example is also really good. Of the what is the insurance policy?
Insurance policy, yeah.
I think that was also really good, actually.
Yeah, I think they had a form, and they had the guy at the reception that will receive the form.
Yeah.
and then that guy will take it to different departments, and the
Yes.
departments will take it to the store.
Yes. You see it, you know it. That's the cycle. Like you have the incoming request, then there's this action creator like go to the right department, so the right reducer, and then the reducers have the overall picture in the store, so they have to reach out to the store for information, and then they give back to the actual guy who wanted to make the insurance policy. Or that's the thing, right?
Yeah, it sounds easy, but yeah, maybe with more practice, it will sink in, you know.
Sure, but yeah, I'm not saying I know it. I just sometimes, so it's just I remember myself what's happening, and maybe I understand at that moment. But I think from time to time I will revisit this like insurance department example, and that's how it goes. Oh.
We'll run.
Yeah. just yeah, yeah. How is it in Vue.js, by the way? I know how is it? How's the state management goes in Vue.js?
I think they're using Voops. I don't know.
But have you seen that in?
No, I haven't seen it in
No.
action.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I try so much to be. I try so much just to involve myself with similar things like writing Cypress tests and enzyme stuff, and like I try so much not to be involved with the technology like Vue and and GraphQL, because that will open another Pandora box, you know.
Sure. No, I'm curious about Vue.js because people are saying that's simpler in a sense than how React Redux works.
But Joseph says it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They're even commenting that Vue is stupid because there's a few things that they're saying it could be so much easier to do with React, but with Vue, I think maybe it's because they don't understand the technology yet, but they were having a little bit of a struggle to do a few things.
Yeah, I want to talk with Matt because he had to learn, or he has to learn, kind of both.
Yeah, Matt is a guy who never stops, you know. He's a weird chap. He'll just keep going. And when you think you're tired and you want to go to bed, he's like, "Hey, you want a pair?" And it's midnight my time, and I'm like, "Okay, let's do it." And it's like, "Don't worry, I have to go in the next 30 minutes, and then it's 1 hour." And I'm like, I should be leaving now. And then it's 2 hours, and yeah, it keeps going, you know. I like how it keeps going. Yeah, for me, once the moment I don't understand it, I stop and look for books.
Yeah.
To read, yeah.
How he consumes all this information, I was always wondering actually, because he's not the book guy.
No, he's not. He does not read. Okay, I think he understands things so fast. That's what.
See.
Yeah, he'll just go through stuff once, and Yeah.
He didn't even take the course, the Steven Grider React course, I remember. So
No, didn't. Yeah. I'm just, yeah, I haven't finished the course either. So
yeah, me neither. No worries. So I just finished the part I thought, like, I finished until the archive. So I'm not sure if. So I'm not sure if there is anything in the archive.
Oh, the archive. Okay. Yeah,
How's it going, Dan?
scripting reduces.
It's going great, just as I expected. Only a couple of minor changes. I haven't tested anything out yet, but I'm pretty sure that it's good.
Okay.
Did you create the first simple reducer?
But no, I didn't.
Just checking.
Maybe you should just return one. How did Stephen Gray do it?
Should I?
Yeah.
It has to return something.
Yeah.
It does?
As I remember.
Yeah. But it doesn't have to be.
All right, I'll make a simple reducer. So I'll do that.
It doesn't have to be the simple reducer. It could be.
But it does.
It could be just an integer to return. Or a string.
String, yeah.
Just a function that returns string.
Oh my god. This React course was so long.
Yeah,
Man.
the Udemy one.
Simple action. Result action dot payload.
I actually bought the React Native courses.
Really?
Yeah. The two of them, they were going for
For ages.
$18.
In Combine? Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I
like,
want
oh wow.
I want to take actually the React Native, which was it's a Harvard course on edX.
edX?
Mhm.
I haven't seen that one. I saw
Yeah.
a React Native on Udacity.
On what? Sorry.
Do you know Udacity?
Udacity. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there was that. Okay. No, there's one in edX as well. Maybe we should go to that one as well.
Yeah.
Like we did the Rails one. I a little bit missed the Rails one actually.
Yeah.
It was so good.
Yeah.
All right.
How's it going, Dan? You created the simple.
Easy. I'm pretty much done. There's not going to be any problems, and Redux store. I can just copy and paste this, and no problem.
With the blink of an eye, within it's done. Yeah, it's also importing store.
I think Redux had so many moving parts. Okay, I think there are few, but if you're just starting with it, I think it's too much stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You have, when they introduce Tank, they introduce apply media.
Yeah. I think the problem comes at the middleware, honestly.
Yeah.
When you have to customize, and also the routing then, and when you have like so Redux. I think it's not friendly enough. Is just that.
Yeah. So
Do we need to create tests for these reducers, or do we need to run? Let's just run it, huh?
What,
See if
what, what, are you going, what are you going to test that it?
I don't know.
I'm not sure if you can test this actually.
Yeah, like if you look at website one front end, there's a way they've tested the reducers.
Really?
Yeah, they just test that they return the correct, like when you pass an action and a state. If you pass an action with the initial state, it should just return the same state, and if you pass an action with a new state, it should update.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So yeah, actually the repetitive tests just to check that the reducer spits the correct state given the inputs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you need test coverage, you know.
Yes.
All right, I didn't break everything.
Of course, it's fine.
So did we merge your PR, Pete?
No.
We should merge it, right?
Probably, if you want to.
Yeah, because I don't think it breaks anything.
Can you merge the issue one also?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the issue one.
Yeah. Oh, did I even do it? Actually, yeah. Yeah, I created a PR, I think.
Huh. So we need the PR to sort the issue thing?
It's just, yeah, I mean, it just creates that file, the issue template.md file, basically. So
Pete, maybe you can merge this one and then I merge the other.
Yes.
I merge yours, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Merging is fun, you know. Just click merge. And
Mhm.
yeah,
I'm imagining a moment, but
yeah, and also I think maybe since it's a project we're using to learn stuff, it's okay. But I
Mhm.
was going to say that we are adding these things before we even need them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, like Tank and
Oh yeah.
the reducers.
Do so do I commit these and then do I make a commit and then merge in the changes and then push, or what should I do?
I think you broke for me, Dan.
Huh? I was saying should should I make a commit right now and then pull from the repository with the merge changes, and
Yeah.
then and
Yes.
then
Yes.
let's see. All right, let's see.
What is happening on GitHub? I cannot. Probably we need to update also the README for using this template.
We do that already? I thought we.
No, we should,
Okay.
because currently we are encouraging people to make a copy
Oh,
of the
okay.
right.
Yeah.
I open a ticket about this. Ooh, now if you open a new issue, then you can choose.
How do I merge the develop branch in? Just get.
What are you trying to do then?
Just merge into this branch so that I can have all the changes merged in before I push.
Oh, okay. Will you consider rebasing?
Rebasing?
Yeah. So just git rebase. What's your origin?
My origin is, well, so
Yeah, so maybe
my
you want to
repo, but I haven't been updating. I haven't been pushing to the origin or.
yeah, so maybe you want to do git rebase upstream develop. Stroke develop. It has a between upstream and develop you have a forward slash.
That?
Yeah.
Upstream.
Yeah, I think it's okay now.
Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah, maybe
Easy.
we can request. We can request Federico to review that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, let's get your pull request rejected done.
Yeah. I'll respond to whatever he says. Please put what I need to copy and paste into the.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
What's that for?
This is for my
Ciphers?
Art Cypress, yeah. I don't even know who used Psy. Maybe I need to add it to CI because it's failing Travis. Yeah, nice done.
Right.
Right. Let's call it a day, or do you want to stay?
I think call it a day.
after,
Yeah.
after this magic trick.
Don't want to
You
push our
don't
luck.
you don't want to do like just one reducer then? One more.
No.
One magic is enough for a day, so how many tricks you want to see, Mike?
Yeah, he's yeah, okay.
Right.
Yeah, so what do we call it a day?
So tomorrow we same time, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
same time.
Okay. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll try. Yeah, okay. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.